Hello, my fellow colleagues in the industry. This is Reginald Pascal Amanze. Today, in the sound pronunciation, I will be educating you on the use of the long sound E. Alright, the sound or the phoneme E can be identified as the letter I with the double dots in front of it, in between two slashes. I'm sure you can see that right on the screen. Okay, so this is the sound E, as in the words be, me, need. It is a vowel sound, and its technical name is the closed front unrounded vowel. We have other words that contain the E sound, alright, where we can simply identify them in words like key, as in Q-U-A-Y, the words that contain the EY, as in key, words that contain EO, as in people, words that contain the OE, as in phoenix, amoeba, words that contain IE, as in believe, words that contain the EA, as in bead. Alright, just to mention about a few. So let's go ahead. How to pronounce the sound E. Remember that the key to pronunciation is how the sound is made physically. In this case, your tongue is high and at the front of your mouth. The word rounded refers to your lips because they are stretched out as if you were smiling and not rounded. All vowels are made through the mouth and are voiced, so you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. It is similar to the short E sound, but the little two dots mean that it is a longer sound. You can see that. So to produce a sound, put your tongue high and at the front of your mouth and stretch out your lips, then make a long vowel sound. The E sound is normally spelled with the letter E or E, as in the words tree, three, see, these. But it can also be spelled with the letters the letter EA sounding E. Here are some words that starts with the E sound. We have them in each, easy, eat, east. You can as well say a transcription of the words on the right side. Here are some words that have the sound in the middle. Feel, keep, seem, between. Here are some words with the sound E at the end, as in he, she, we, free. I think with this little examples given to us on the pronunciation of the sound E, we've been able to gather an understanding in it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.